Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm making tonjiru, which is one of the most popular winter dish here. It is a popular variation for miso soup, and you might know it if you watch Midnight Diner over Netflix. The master was making it in the intro video. You know, tonjiru, ton means pork, jiru means soup. So it is basically pork miso soup combined with some root vegetables. Today's one is so simple, easy to make. So why don't we get started? Right, the ingredients for making tonjiru is 6. Ingredient number 1 is of course sliced pork belly. Number 2 is some root vegetable. I use gobo butternut root, white radish and carrot this time. But you can also add shiitake mushroom, taro or something like that. And number 3 is konjac jelly. You can replace it with shirataki noodle, but I believe to use konjac is most popular. Number 4 is green onion. Plus you need miso paste with 5 cups of dashi water. We have 6 steps making it. Step number 1 is to cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. I recommend you to cut it while it's half frozen and set it aside while you prepare other ingredients. Step number 2 is prepare the root vegetable. Start with gobo butternut root, wash it and peel the skin with the back of a knife and soak it in water. Make a quarter moon cut slice for the white radish, half moon cut slice for carrot, plus make a slant cut for the green onion. Step 3 is to prepare the konjac jelly. After you make a sakugo net cut on the surface, please cut it into bite-sized pieces by using a spoon and simmer it for 30 seconds to remove the unwanted smell. And now the preparation is over, so please go on to step 4, which is to pan fry the pork, then add the root vegetable and konjac. Step 5 is to add 5 cups of dashi water into the pot and bring it to a boil. Skim the scum and simmer it till the root vegetable gets softened. I believe it will take more than 10 minutes. Then add the green onion and simmer it for another 2-3 minutes. Then add the miso paste and it will be ready to serve. Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step 1 is to cut the pork belly in bite-sized pieces. Okay. Alright, now the pork belly is ready, so why don't we go on to step 2? Why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to prepare the root vegetable. Start with gobo, butternut, wash it first. So after you wash it, prepare the bowl of water first, like this. Then start peel the skin with the back of the knife. Okay, it's done. So what do we do? Kasagaki. Right, into the bowl of water. Then go like this, like sharpen your pencil with a knife. Right, for the last step, use the cutting board or else you might hurt yourself. Okay. Right, now the gobo butternut root is ready. The next thing you prepare is white radish. Peel the skin with a knife. Don't move a knife. Just move the white radish or else you're gonna hurt yourself. Like this, okay. So make a quarter moon cut. Okay, it's done. Next thing you prepare is carrot. Peel the skin with a peeler. Cut the both ends off. And then make it in half. Make a half moon cut slice. This here is too big, so make a quarter moon slice. Okay, that's done. Here for the end of step 2, prepare the green onion. Wash it and make a slant cut. And for the green part, I'll save it for garnish. Cut like this. Okay, it's the end of step 2. So why don't we go into step 3? When we go on to step 3, step 3 is to prepare the cognac jelly. Make a hexagonal cut on the surface like this. Yes. And after that, by using a spoon, make a random cut. It'll help cognac get more tasty. It's better than to cut it with a knife. Yeah, it's done. And for another pot, pour water and give it a boil. Right now the water is get boiled, so put the cognac jelly and simmer it for 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds has passed, so you have to pull it out and set it aside. Alright, why don't we go into step 4? Step 4 is to pan fry the pork belly and root vegetable. I use sesame oil, eat pork belly. Stir fry. Okay. Now when it gets nice and brown, add the white radish and carrot. Global barbecue and with cognac jelly. Alright, it's time to go to step 5. Step 5 is to add 5 cups of dash water. I use dash powder for making it dash water. It's nice. So why don't you pour the dash water here? Bring it to a boil. So now the water's boiled, so why don't we skim the scum on top? It's okay, so turn it down medium low. Hit it for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes has passed, so why don't we put the green onion? And give a soft stir and simmer it for another 2-3 minutes. So another 2 minutes has passed, so why don't we put the miso into the pot. Try not to bring it to boil again. Miso lose its flavor. And you try tasting it. It's alright. If it's not enough, add more miso. In this case, it was enough. Great! It's ready to plate. In a bowl like this. Okay, looks great. And put some garnishing, green onion. Plus, if you have that shichimi togarashi, 7 taste pepper, will be nice. Yeah, so now tonjiru pork miso soup is ready. Alright, now you know to make tonjiru isn't that difficult, so why don't you try making it at your home? It makes you warm in cold winter. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and please leave some messages down below. See you in the next video. Take good care, stay safe. Arigato, bye bye.